Bruh.
Damn.
Oh.
Damn.
Damn. He just caught his ass in the chin.
Damn.
What's good, YouTube? What's good with y'all, boy, man? Hey, bro, today we got another reaction video for y'all, boy, man. But today we got a special guest. You dig what I'm saying? It ain't nobody that ain't never been on the channel before. You dig what I'm saying? My damn cameraman. We got Devontae in there, bit, bro. Say what's up to the chat, bro. Say what's up.
Yo, shout out to bro.
He the one who recommended me this goddamn video, so shit, his ass might as well watch this bitch with me. Before we goddamn get all the way into this bit, y'all boy, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Do all that good YouTube shit, man, so our video can get passed around and all that. Other than that, man, let's see what this bitch talking about, chat.
Stop! Stop!
Damn.
That nigga got slumped like a motherfucker. That nigga fell straight back. Are these niggas Russian?
I don't even know. They Russians, bro. Some of them. Not all, but some of them. But this is the one we just seen.
Yeah, hell yeah. See how this shit finna end. Damn, he caught his ass in the chin, boy. That nigga don't even know where the fuck he at right now.
Шаг в сторону. Работаем.
He finna get another one, cuz. Yo.
Damn. I know
So that shit gotta hurt their fist, bro.
Damn. You putting belt to ass, bro.
But these niggas is fighting with hay. These niggas fighting in hay, bro. What the fuck? This back in the barnyard ass setup they got.
They low-key kind of strong.
10 секунд.
Niggas actually pay money to see this, bro.
Stop! Fight!
You talking about stop? Damn! He's trying to catch his ass with one of them bitches.
Damn.
Boom!
They're trying to kill each other, bro. Damn.
Oh, shit! Nah, this nigga getting his ass beat.
Hey, bro, call it, bro.
4.
Call it.
Stop!
You say what? Stop?
Just call it, bro. That nigga getting his ass handed to him.
But this was like, what's the name, bro?
Headhunter. Oh shit. It was Cowboy.
But this nigga, but that nigga came in and do with a
That
jeans.
nigga look like a
These
beaver
niggas
a
are
bit.
fighting with jeans on.
Oh shit. Oh,
This nigga
shit.
weaving.
Damn. Oh my god.
4.
But twin, you know who the hell that nigga look like? Twin, he look like that one MMA fighter, bro.
Get it!
You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah, bro, he look like...
Yeah, on God, he look like Buddy. Is that racist?
Yo, so that nigga...
Damn, he caught his outside of the head.
Damn.
I know that shit hurt like a motherfucker.
That nigga got noodle legs. Shit.
Damn.
Hey.
Bruh.
Damn.
Oh.
Damn.
Damn. He just caught his ass in the chin.
Damn. Damn.
Stop!
Nah, he's outmatched, bro. He's outclassed.
Yo, how far you is?
I'm at shit. 3 minutes and 34 seconds.
Yo.
35, 36.
Yo, twin.
I said I'm at 3 minutes and 35. What?
Yo.
I just paused it. I'm at 3:43.
Работаешь? Раз.
Look at these two big brolic motherfuckers.
But this shit look brutal though.
Стоп! Стоп!
Like this some
Damn.
barbaric ass shit, bro.
Yeah, you know the Russians niggas fight bears and shit.
Fight bears.
Damn.
But I just know both of these niggas drunk as fuck.
Damn.
They gotta be drunk as fuck, bro. Damn!
Oh my god. Damn. He leaking, bro.
Hurt the watch. Damn, he catching the fuck out of his ass.
Tagging each other.
Oh god.
I know that shit hurt more because they got that tape on their hand.
Bruh, I know that shit hurt their hands too though, bruh. Like that shit gotta hurt their fists. Hitting each other in the head.
A draw?
They drew.
Who does nigga think he is?
I ain't gonna cap, this nigga gonna beat his ass, bro.
I was trying to understand what they were saying.
Any nigga who fight in jeans is a deep. Nah, I ain't gonna cap. The last two niggas who don't fight in jeans don't got their ass beat.
Stop! Stop!
The last nigga that had jeans, his shit big.
Nah. Remember Noodle Leg had jeans on. Damn! But these niggas.
Damn, he too short, bro.
But he finna catch a concussion, boy. Oh, he can't get up. He can't get up.
He can't.
Ah, this ball nigga.
Hey, this nigga was like Deadpool.
He like that bald ass quarterback.
That white nigga.
Well, he's a weave. Ooh!
Stop!
Damn!
Stop! Omar.
They about the same height, bro. It's all about who go throw them bitches.
Stop!
Like, okay, buddy with the tattoo going crazy though.
Stop time!
Stop doing. Damn.
Shit! He got caught with that bitch.
Damn. Set his ass down.
I don't care. Tattoo getting in there. And he just punched his ass in the nuts, bro.
He hit him in the nuts.
He just punched his ass in the nuts, bro. That shit wasn't on purpose, though. I don't think that shit.
That shit hurted.
Oh, yeah, buddy mad, nah. No, but the nigga with no tattoo, he mad as hell.
That nigga's a dirty fighter.
Yeah, I'm
that white nigga a dirty fighter.
Yeah, the nigga with the tattoos, he a dirty fighter like a motherfucker. The ref has no control of this shit. Damn, caught his ass. This nigga with the tattoo keep on trying to slam his ass and shit, bro. Oh shit!
Stop! Умар, поднимайся. Умар, поднимайся. Стоп! Бой окончен. Парни, вас не остановишь, блин.
Beat that nigga ass right there, bro.
Yeah, the nigga with the tattoo is going crazy. That nigga got that fat ass cut on his cheek though. He got that fat ass cut on. Yeah, that nigga didn't leave unbruised. Alright, here go buddy ass again.
Ain't this the same nigga?
Yeah, hell no. That was, I think that's buddy from two fights ago.
Oh god, this is the same nigga that just got knocked out.
Oh god.
Okay, the rest be throwing it. They hate the rest be get knocked out too, bro.
Fuck around and get caught with one of them bitches.
Damn. Oh god, when they stepping in the middle.
Oh god. That's how they be yelling stop before they go in that bitch.
And he finna sleep his ass, and Buddy and the Blue finna sleep his ass.
Alright, that's a draw.
Oh
I'll give
my
it to him.
god.
I'll give it to him.
The draw.
I'll give it to
Terrible.
him. Are they on some good sportsmanship too, or are they joning? Yeah, I ain't gonna cap, bro. Them niggas was throwing some hard bitches, bro. I'm not even gonna lie. This some barbaric ass shit, bro. Especially the bear fish shit. And nigga, you could tell, like, bro, twin, they're cutting each other way more. Like, they're cutting each other way more. And they tagging the
Hell
fuck out of each
yeah.
other, bro. Hey, bro, y'all boy go goddamn show some love to my boy Devontae. I'm finna put all his shit in the description. I'm gonna put his IG in that bitch, his Twitch, and his YouTube and shit. The link to the original video is gonna be in the description down below if y'all wanna watch that shit without me and him yapping all through it and shit. But other than that, man, I'll let my nigga low, and I'm out, bro.
Hello.